Hi, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then click here to the settings and tap to voice section. Then click here to voice match. And to turn on Hey Google feature, you should click here once on the swatcher, but also we should add our voice model. So click here to voice model, retain voice model, and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just let's click here to finish, and that's now just when we'll say okay Google or hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.